which is brand new. Love these colors. We're going to be doing a fun hop for July, Christmas in July. So watch the Instagram for that notification. We're going to do it on YouTube, and I might use one of these new paper pads that just came in. So this one is staying cool. I thought it would go really nicely with this one since it's got snowmen on it, and I think it would look really cute together. So I'm going to see how that looks. It's gingerbread time. This is also new to the shop. So it's got really cute pinks in here with the gingerbread brown. I thought that would look really cute with this one. We got in a gingerbread house. So really, really cute. Love this teal and the pink and the brown. And that one I thought would go good with this one. So I'm going to try and do some cards today. If not, you'll see them coming up on the YouTube channel. So I'm going to bring you down to the table. I have a few shop updates. I'll share some new paper pads, and I'll start up a card. If you placed a pre-order for the add-on donut ephemera and the farm floral ephemera, those orders have all shipped out. Summer donut ephemera is now available, ready to ship. It matches perfectly with the summer donuts and the summer gingham paper pad. Just super adorable. If you missed my 4 cards, I'll have it linked up there in the cards. They turned out super cute. The Farm Floral Ephemera matches the Farm Sweet Farm paper pad. The Farm Sweet Farm paper pad is really adorable. So this one is almost sold out. This one comes in your box for June. So the box of the month is available for purchase if you want to head on over and grab yourself a box. You do save 18% when you subscribe. This is the add-on, so it's got different images than the ephemera that matches. It has different images than the ephemera in here. This one has more florals, and it has a different barn. It's really, really cute. So today I want to show you the brand new paper pads that just landed in the shop. So we have Staying Cool, which I love this color palette. Teals, the mint green, super cute. So we've got snowman, Christmas tree, stars, polka dots, stripes, plaid, chevron. Really, really cute. So I thought this paper pad would look really cute with the winter snowman treats. So there's cute little snowmen in here. They're like, we've got snowman mug and like little suckers, little treats, little snowballs in here. There's little snowman cookies. Super, super cute. And we've got the new paper pad. It's gingerbread time. Love the soft pinks, the peach, and the gingerbread brown. Really, really cute. There's some glitter, faux glitter pages in here. Pink page with the gold stars. Looks really cute. Ooh, that's so pretty. And then there's a nice white with some gold stars. This really pretty like pink gold color. Gingerbread houses with little cookies. So cute. That's really cute. Super, super cute. So this is gonna look really cute with our gingerbread cups ephemera. So this one and this one I think are gonna look really cute, and with this new paper pad over here. So we've got gingerbread house. This one's got some, is that a turquoise? There's like kind of like an orangey color, like a coral color. And the browns, kind of like a red coral color. Isn't that cute? Some stripes with the gingerbread house. That's really cute. And this one says, Happy Christmas. Super cute. So we're doing a Christmas in July hop here on YouTube. It will be in July. We will post details very soon, but we're going to feature some holiday items that are in the shop, all your favorite holiday stamps. I'll probably do something with the new papers. So I thought this would look really cute with that. And then the Autumn Plaids is a newer paper pad, and that goes really well with the fall mugs and the Halloween mugs. So I'm going to do a project with the Autumn Plaids. So I'm going to do that in this video. I'm going to share with you today how I made this cute and easy slimline card. I made 2 cards out of one standard 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and I'm going to show you how quickly it comes together. I'm using the Autumn Plaids and the Fall Mugs ephemera. For the sentiments on these cards, I used our Pumpkin Spice Everything stamp set. So this one's in the shop. I'll have it linked in the description box for you. It's one of my favorites. This is one of the stamps that I designed. There's some great sentiments in here I thought were perfect for these mugs. And I'm going to make 2 more cards with you today. I'm going to use the Thanks a Latte stamp, and we'll see what we put on the other one. So first you'll take your cardstock and trim it in half at 5.5. So you're going to have 2 panels just like you would when you make an A2 size card. So when you make an A2 size card, you're just going to fold that in half, and then you have your card base. But for these mini slimline cards, what I'm going to do is trim a little off the end, because we're going to make a 3 by 5.5 card. So you're going to want to trim this off at 7 inches. You could do both at the same time, so take your other one and let's trim that down to 7 inches. And we're going to be left over with these 2 panels here. You're going to want to save those because you can use them to decorate your slimline card. Now we can get our scoreboard out. You're going to score at 3.5 and then fold your card base. Sorry, my recording stopped at this point, so you didn't get to see me score. So now you're left over with these 2 panels, and guess what? They fit right on your slimline card base. You can use that to decorate. So we're going to go ahead and finish off these 2 cards. Since I already did 2 cards with the fall mugs, I'm going to do 2 cards with the Halloween mugs using the Autumn Plaids. So let's go ahead and pick out the ones that I want to use. I think I want to do this pumpkin and this one that says Happy Halloween. And I'll take out some of these candy corns for the bottom. And I'm just going to pick out the ones that I think are going to look best with my images. And I kind of like that. It's a hard choice. Okay, I'm going to do this for my background. So we can conserve our paper here. We're going to cut this one in half. So let's cut it down at 3 inches. Then you're going to have a little bit of a bigger border. So then you're going to want to cut this one down. So you'll cut this one down by 5 inches. So your panel is going to measure 3 by 5 inches. And that's going to give you a nice border. And then for this panel here, we can cut that one down. So let's cut that down 1 inch. 1 inch by 5. So you'll cut this panel down 1 inch by 5 inches and just center that on there. These scraps for the inside of your card. Okay, we'll just add a bit of glue to the back and then center this right on our card panel. Okay, I have it kind of towards more to the bottom, whatever you prefer. If you want to center it or bring it down to the bottom more, because we are going to have our little image anchored right there. I'm going to have a sentiment, so I am going to stamp out a sentiment. Let's do the other one so we could get 2 cards done at the same time, lickety split. So we're doing 2 cards at the same time, real quick and easy here. We're going to have a sentiment. Let's see, I stamped out one already. I'm going to stamp out pumpkin spice everything, and then I'll cut that out with a flag banner. So I glued down my image directly onto the card base. I'm going to pop up the candy corn and the sentiment. I'm going to push the sentiment all the way to the edge and center that in between the colored cardstock. And then I've got 3 candy corns popped up. I'm going to add those to the bottom. And then at the end, we'll add some enamel dots and decorate the inside. So let's do the other one really quickly here. Since this one already says Happy Halloween, I'm not going to add a sentiment. I'm just going to add this little flag. And I'm going to put that up towards the top edge of the card. Let's make sure I have that on straight. There we go. And then 3 little candy corns at the bottom. I put them a little wonky so they're not straight. It gives it more movement to the card. And then we'll do the inside. So the inside is cut at the same length as this panel here, which is 3 by 5. And then those 2 little pieces I said save, we could use that to decorate the inside. Let's create some flags at the bottom. Okay, so we have the inside all decorated, the outside looking really cute. Let's add some enamel dots. I'm using our Let's Get Cool collection enamel dots. This time I'll use the yellow. Okay, and then for this one, let's see, I have an orange left. I'll mix this one up, and then I'll put yellow, the yellow in there. There we go. Just 3 little dots will do. So there's our 2 Halloween cards. Here's our 2 fall cards. They turned out really cute. I did do the inside and added a little acorn in the corner. Pumpkin spice everything. And our 2 Halloween cards. Pumpkin spice everything. Super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and give the video a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already, and hit that bell for notifications. That way you get an email saying that I've uploaded a new video. If you're interested in more content, I do have a YouTube channel membership. You can join that for exclusive content and perks. All you have to do is click the join button, either next to the subscribe button, or if you don't see the join button, there's a link in the description box that will take you there so you can read more about it and join if you like. And I do thank you, and I want to give a shout out to my new members. Thank you so much for supporting my channel this way, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!